All right, so I have the horn button and the spring off because trying to move this. Listen. There's something rattling about in there. So I'm going to pull the steering wheel and look behind the blinker switch, which this is nicely loose, and see what we got. I've already marked the wheel, so we put it back straight. Mr. Burns is getting me a wrench. We're gonna get this baby apart. All right, so wheels off. Got our turn signal switch out for the most part. Got its little retainer cock ring out. Gonna undo these two nuts and pull this off, and then what's chunky's in there for sure. So we're gonna play go fish with the little magnet. Fun. We're gonna go fishing, Burnsy. Remember that time we went fishing? 20 something years ago.
I swear, like a month or two ago, I was just talking about that.
Oh boy, I drank a lot of beer that day. I wasn't even 21 yet, and I drank a lot of beer. We still have the IROC. Anyway. Gotta get these. Okay, so I pushed up on this cable wiring just a little bit to pull this off. And I was like, Burnsy, give this a little fucking wiggle. And he did it, and this flops out. That's the detent for the shifter that this little tabby tab here goes into. But look, we're in business now. But looks like the screws came out. So we're gonna carefully put that back together, and I think we're gonna be okay. And then once this is all back together and this feels good, we got to go down there and just hook it back up. But it's just one pin. It's easy. All right, bitchin'.
Cool.
All right, our column's all back together. Yay! So I just gotta go. Oh, did you just get paid?
I wish.
Oh. But all this is back together. We're gonna put our wheel back on. I'm gonna hook up everything down here. I'm gonna readjust our neutral safety switch because I pulled it just in case. And then we're gonna go up under the car and hook our linkage back up really fast. And then I think we are going to fire this baby up and play vehicular do-si-do. Fun. Up and running. I adjusted the neutral safety switch. We're good. Yay, Hazel. Yay, baby Hazel.